Welcome to Future Brain Tech, where we explore the cutting edge of innovation. Today, we delve into the incredible world of autonomous urban living. Our journey begins in a city where every intricate movement, every vital function, operates with astonishing, unseen precision. Imagine a metropolis where the flow of life is orchestrated by an intelligence far beyond human capacity, ensuring seamless efficiency at all times. This isn't just a dream. It's a meticulously engineered reality where infrastructure maintains itself, adapting instantly to every changing need. Every second, millions of critical decisions are being made across this vast urban landscape, guiding its very pulse and ensuring continuous operation. But here's the profound truth. Almost none of these countless decisions, which shape the city's future, are actually made by human hands.
This raises a fundamental question, igniting curiosity in every observer. Who or what is truly orchestrating this magnificent, intelligent metropolis?
The answer lies in an invisible, omnipresent force. A vast, interconnected web. This is the Internet of Things, an extraordinary nervous system composed of countless intelligent devices, each playing a vital role. Millions of discrete sensors are meticulously deployed, forming an intricate, invisible web, meticulously gathering every conceivable piece of urban information. From ambient temperature fluctuations to the subtle tremors of structural integrity, every minute detail is precisely recorded and analyzed. The pulse of electricity, the flow of precious water resources, and the intricate dance of urban traffic are all under constant, unwavering scrutiny. Furthermore, the very air we breathe and the movements of every single individual are continuously observed, creating a complete environmental picture.
This vast ocean of raw, unfiltered data, collected relentlessly, is not merely stored.
Every byte, every signal, every observation funnels directly into the city's powerful, overarching artificial intelligence, its digital brain. Truly, the city never truly sleeps. It is a perpetually awake entity, tirelessly processing information, maintaining its intricate balance. This relentless vigilance is its very nature, because it never stops watching, continuously learning, and ceaselessly adapting to dynamic urban conditions.
Now, prepare for an even more groundbreaking concept.
This is the digital twin, a living, breathing virtual replica of every single physical asset within the entire urban landscape. Every colossal building, every subterranean tunnel, every magnificent bridge, and even the smallest This extends even to the intricate networks of power lines and the vast, complex systems responsible for distributing the city's water supply. The AI meticulously constructs these precise digital replicas, allowing for an unparalleled level of predictive analysis and proactive management. With these digital twins, the AI can simulate an almost infinite array of hypothetical scenarios, testing the city's resilience against future challenges. It can meticulously model the destructive forces of a hurricane or the sudden, unpredictable shock waves of a powerful earth.
The AI precisely foresees the onset of crippling traffic congestion or the rapid, destructive spread of a blazing urban fire, enabling immediate preventative action.
It can even predict devastating floods or widespread power outages, providing invaluable insights for rapid response and strategic resource allocation. These sophisticated simulations are run continuously, allowing the AI to anticipate and mitigate potential catastrophes long before they manifest in the physical world. The profound advantage is proactive intervention. The city can respond to crises before they even begin, saving lives and resources. Witness the transformation. The physical world around us seamlessly shifts and evolves into a vibrant, dynamic, holographic 3D model. This powerful visualization allows for an intuitive understanding of complex urban dynamics, making the invisible truly visible for analysis. Now, let's explore how individual structures within this intelligent city transcend their traditional roles, becoming truly responsive, living entities.
These are smart buildings, sophisticated organisms that continuously monitor and adapt their internal environments, anticipating human needs.
They autonomously regulate their climate control systems, meticulously optimizing air conditioning and heating for peak energy efficiency.
Furthermore, these intelligent structures precisely optimize their lighting schemes, ensuring perfect illumination while simultaneously.
They meticulously manage water distribution throughout their complex internal networks, ensuring optimal usage and detecting any potential leaks immediately. Even the intricate dance of elevators is orchestrated, minimizing wait times and maximizing throughput by anticipating occupant movements and destinations. Should a fire emergency arise, integrated sensors instantly detect the threat, triggering automated suppression systems and safely unlocking necessary exits.
Furthermore, dangerous or restricted areas within these smart buildings can autonomously lock down, preventing unauthorized access and ensuring safety. Crucially, these sophisticated structures operate entirely without direct human control.
The embedded AI continuously learns the intricate behaviors of its residents, anticipating their needs and preferences with remarkable accuracy. Indeed, the building possesses an uncanny awareness, knowing you are approaching its entrance even before you physically arrive at its doorstep. Now, witness the grand symphony of urban intelligence as the AI extends its reach, orchestrating every single facet of the entire city. This omnipresent AI seamlessly integrates and manages the intricate networks of urban traffic, the vital power grid, and the crucial water supply. Furthermore, it connects and optimizes critical services like hospitals, efficient subway lines, and even deploys autonomous drones and ground-based robots.
Consider a scenario where an unexpected traffic bottleneck suddenly occurs on a critical urban artery, threatening widespread gridlock.
Instantly, the AI intervenes, dynamically altering the entire traffic light cycle across multiple intersections, optimizing the flow. Or imagine a critical hospital requiring an immediate, unexpected surge in electrical power to sustain vital life-saving operations. The AI automatically and intelligently reroutes the power load, ensuring an uninterrupted and robust supply to the critical medical facility. What if a sudden, unexpected fire breaks out in a densely populated urban area, requiring immediate, rapid response? Autonomous drones and specialized ground robots are instantly dispatched, arriving on scene even before human firefighters can mobilize. This immediate, autonomous response dramatically minimizes damage and saves precious time, safeguarding lives and valuable urban infrastructure. The entire urban fabric is interwoven, a testament to intelligent design where every component works in perfect, synchronized harmony. Prepare for perhaps the most captivating aspect of this intelligent city: the extraordinary realm of fully autonomous maintenance and repair.
Specialized inspection drones tirelessly patrol the city's rooftops, meticulously checking for any signs of wear, degradation, or potential structural issues.
Agile wall-climbing robots ascend skyscraper facades, their advanced sensors detecting microscopic flaws invisible to the human eye, ensuring structural integrity. Dedicated pipe inspection robots delve into the intricate underground networks, vigilantly searching for any leaks, corrosion, or blockages in real time.
Even the vast, dark expanse of urban tunnels is meticulously patrolled by specialized robots, ensuring their continuous structural soundness and safety.
AI's advanced computer vision capabilities instantly detect hairline cracks in concrete, signs of incipient water leaks, or subtle steel corrosion. These intelligent systems identify potential failures long before they escalate into serious, costly, or dangerous structural problems. This predictive maintenance paradigm ensures that repairs are initiated proactively, often before any actual damage or breakdown visibly occurs.
The city is a marvel of self-preservation, where every component is continuously monitored, maintained, and optimized without human intervention.
This intricate, self-managing urban model represents far more than just a smart city. It's a foundational blueprint for global infrastructure. Imagine its transformative potential when applied to the vast, complex operations of international airports, ensuring unparalleled efficiency and safety. Consider its application in fully automated seaports, where logistics are optimized to perfection, minimizing delays and maximizing throughput. Even highly sensitive military bases can leverage this technology, enhancing security, response times, and overall operational effectiveness.
Envision intelligent factories, where production lines are fully automated, self-optimizing.
This isn't merely about managing physical infrastructure. It's about the very core of a predictive, self-improving societal intelligence. At its heart lies predictive AI, constantly analyzing patterns and anticipating future events, ensuring proactive rather than reactive responses. Through advanced machine learning, the AI continuously refines its understanding, adapting to new data and optimizing its decision-making processes. Reinforcement learning allows the AI to discover optimal strategies through trial and error, constantly enhancing its ability to manage complexities. Computer vision provides the AI with eyes to perceive and understand the physical world, interpreting visual data with extraordinary accuracy. Edge AI brings intelligence closer to the source of data, enabling faster decisions and more immediate responses, vital for dynamic urban environments. The vast network of IoT sensors continues to expand, integrating every object, every device. Indeed, millions of these tiny, intelligent eyes and ears are perpetually active, creating an unparalleled, real-time understanding of urban life.
This interconnected infrastructure ensures that every system, from traffic flow to power distribution, communicates and collaborates seamlessly.
Smart utilities autonomously manage resources like electricity and water, optimizing consumption and minimizing waste across the entire urban expanse.
Continuous environmental monitoring ensures optimal living conditions, detecting and mitigating pollution or adverse changes immediately.
Smart traffic management dynamically adjusts to real-time conditions, guaranteeing smooth, efficient movement for all autonomous vehicles.
The digital twin concept extends to every corner, providing a virtual replica for comprehensive analysis and predictive modeling.
Real-time simulation allows the city to continuously test its responses to potential crises, ensuring peak operational readiness at all times. Constant infrastructure monitoring provides an unprecedented level of oversight, identifying vulnerabilities before they ever become critical problems. Predictive analytics transforms raw data into actionable foresight, enabling the city to anticipate needs and prevent issues proactively.
Disaster simulation allows the AI to develop and refine emergency protocols, ensuring the safest and most efficient response during critical events.
Energy optimization is paramount, ensuring that every watt of power is utilized efficiently, minimizing waste and promoting environmental sustainability. Smart buildings are the epitome of adaptive architecture, constantly learning from their occupants to provide optimal comfort and resource management.
Self-learning HVA systems continuously adapt to environmental conditions, providing unparalleled climate control while significantly reducing energy consumption.
Intelligent lighting systems respond dynamically to natural light and human presence, creating perfectly lit spaces with minimal energy expenditure. Occupancy detection optimizes building services, ensuring resources like heating and cooling are only utilized where and when truly needed.
Smart security systems provide an impenetrable layer of protection, detecting threats and responding autonomously, safeguarding every corner of the city.
Automated energy management ensures that the city's vital resources are always balanced and efficiently distributed, minimizing waste and maximizing sustainability. Autonomous maintenance is the silent guardian, deploying robotic systems to tirelessly inspect and repair, ensuring perpetual operational excellence. Inspection drones provide aerial oversight, meticulously scanning every surface and structure, identifying potential problems from a unique vantage point. Wall-climbing robots perform intricate repairs on facades, reaching areas inaccessible to humans, ensuring the city's aesthetic and structural integrity. Pipe inspection robots navigate hidden networks, ensuring vital utilities remain fully operational, preventing costly and disruptive infrastructure failures. AI crack detection ensures that even the smallest structural flaws are identified and addressed immediately, preventing minor issues from becoming major disasters. This intelligent urban model reshapes our future, a testament to AI's power. Thank you for joining Future Brain Tech on this incredible journey.